Hello, boys and girls. Right now I want to talk to you about hopes and dreams for music class. Hopes and dreams are not just for music class. You might have hopes and dreams for different things in both your life at school, in our school community, or in your own personal life at home. Right now I want to share with you my hope and dream for our music class this year. I hope and dream that all of my students will discover the joy of music in their lives and will work together to have a fun and safe musical year. Think about what your hopes and dreams might be for the school year. Hopes and dreams are essentially goals that we set for ourselves so that we can grow as a person and become better. Hopes and dreams can be academic, learning something new at school or getting better at something at school. Or hopes and dreams can be social, essentially learning how to get along with other people or behave better. So for example, if I was to make a hope and dream that's academic for music class, maybe it could be learning how to read musical notes on the treble clef. It might be learning how to play hot cross buns on the xylophones. It could be learning how to compose your own song. It also could be things that maybe you already know how to do, but you want to get better at. So it could be, if you have a nice singing voice already, becoming a better singer. Or maybe you know how to play a saxophone in band and you know the first 5 notes and you want to know the rest of the notes of the scale and become better at playing the songs on your saxophone. Those are all examples of academic things to hope and dream. Hopes and dreams examples for social could be things like maybe you're brand new to Town Creek and you don't have any friends and you want to make new friends. Maybe you love to sing, but you are really shy. Maybe your goal would be to become confident enough to sing a solo, to sing a little bit of a song by yourself. Those are all examples of hopes and dreams, learning how to get along with others, social hopes and dreams. What can hopes and dreams be about? Again, like I said before, learning something new in music class, getting better at something you already learned about in music class, or it can be social skills. For example, making new friends or becoming more confident. So, I've shared my hope and dream for you. What do you need to do? Well, once you know what your hope and dream is for music, so you're going to need to take some think time to think about what your hope and dream is. What you're going to do is write a sentence in the discussion that comes after this screencast. And you're going to write the sentence in it and share it with your classmates. You will not be able to see what other students have written until you have submitted what your hope and dream is first. I've included a sentence stem to help you create your sentence if you're struggling. So I wrote, my hope and dream for music is, and then you fill in the blank. You can be as creative or ordinary as you want to be. All right, until next time, boys and girls, I look forward to seeing all of your hopes and dreams for music class this year, because our hopes and dreams are going to help us understand better the rules that we'll follow so we all can achieve our hopes and dreams for music. Bye-bye, boys and girls.